Hey everyone, good to see you again. See you again. I hope you really enjoyed making those book covers. I'm looking forward to checking them out today. And I hope that you'll enjoy this as well. It's very similar, except for this time it's going to be about you. And I want you to first watch this whole video, and then I want you to create a list on the worksheet that is attached before you start doing the Adobe Spark. And then you'll have that done. And then that'll give you some ideas to make your two movie posters. Okay, so on your two movie posters, you're going to choose two of the topics and you're going to create something related to that. It can be a movie poster, it can also be like an ad for a Netflix series if you want about you. So if you're doing a cooking show or something like that, you can do that. All right, so have fun and I look forward to seeing what you do and have a great week. So on the document 10 Facts About Me, you're going to list some things that are interesting about you, your life, your family, your birth order, pets, anything that you think is interesting. So here's my list. I'm the oldest of 5 children. I'm married. I have one son who's an adult. He lives about 40 minutes away from me. I have one cat and one dog, and they get along really well. I used to have 2 snakes, and they were pretty cool. I used to ride a motorcycle, but I don't have one anymore. I like to go hiking and biking and kayaking, outside activities. I like to make all different types of art. What a surprise. I eat a plant-based diet and I'm a good vegan cook. So those are things about me. So I want you to, before you start making a poster, I want you to do this worksheet first. And then you're going to take a look at what is the most interesting things, what are some interesting things that I could make a movie poster about me that would show something about my life. Okay, in Adobe Spark, I'm going to create, you have to create 2 different posters. So pick 2 of your favorite topics that you wrote in your worksheet and create a movie poster about your life or related to your topic. It's a biographical movie, so it's something about you and your life. It can be a sports thing that you've done, or an art show, or if you're in drama, you could do a play. So anything that is about your life. If you like cooking, maybe it's a cooking movie or a cooking show. Okay, so I'm going to create a project. And I'm going to go to view all. And I'm going to scroll through until I find poster. Here's a poster. It's about math, but it doesn't have to be about math. We can change that. So as it loads, I am going to go under search Spark templates and I'm going to type in movie poster. I already did it once, so it's there. So it's going to give me some movie poster selections. And I'm going to just look through and see what I think is going to work. I'm going to do something about my kayaking. Remember, you can change the pictures, the art, so don't just look at it and go, oh, Winter Wonderland. If you like the layout, you get to go in and change the Christmas trees to, maple trees if you want to. So just think about sort of the overall way that it looks, kind of like this. I'm not going to take too long. You guys can search around and have fun with it, but I'm going to just pick this and I'm going to create from this template. And I'm going to delete this photo. And I'm going to upload a photo. So I'm going to click Add Photo. and upload a photo from my desktop. So here's one that has like a background, and I'm going to move freely so I can move it around. So it's putting it in there, and then I'm going to put that. I think I'm going to put this as like the background because I really like the sky. Make it really big so it goes off the page. Ooh, I like that. Right, so you can play around and you can, I'm just going to get the water in the sky. And I'm going to also send that to the back, right? Because I just covered everything up that was on there. So I'm going to put this all the way in the very back. Now it's hard to read this text. Remember, depending on what it's against, it was against a darker background. So I need my movie title, first of all. I'm going to call my movie Peace on the River. Such a hippie. All right, that's my movie title, and I want it to still be one line, so I'm going to drag this out to the edges, and then I'm going to shrink that text by clicking here where it says size, and just drag that down. I guess you have to do a resizing. There we go. And I'm going to make it black, so I'm going to click on color and make that black. I can also make it any other color, but that looks nice. So see, this is sort of how you think, right? You just kind of try different things, move them around, and then let's see, insert a tagline about your movie. See, I gotta click on it. It's not letting me click it. There it is. All right, so finding solitude on the water. That's kind of small, so I'm going to make that bigger. I'm going to put that in the trees there so you can see it better. There we go. And let's see, I don't know what this says. It's kind of small. Let's zoom in and see. Has a bunch of made up stuff. So you can change that, right? It's got like all these different things. You can just change it to alleged movie stars, huh? Adobe Spark presents, what was it called again? Peace on the River. Peace on the River. And I'm just going to leave all this other stuff in there. We're just going to pretend that's important. And the date is 2025. That's a really long time from now. I'm going to double click on that. If I can get it. Sometimes I might have to zoom in so I can. There we go. Let's say 525 because that's pretty soon. 2020. Done. All right. So there's my poster so far. It looks a little boring. I think it needs something else. So I'm going to put another picture in here of me on my kayak. So you can upload your own picture if you want to put a picture of yourself. You can have a picture of yourself if it's, you know, doing your hobby, right? If you have a picture of yourself in your football uniform or your soccer uniform or baseball or basketball, or you're cooking in the kitchen, you want to take a picture of yourself cooking and you want to make it all about a cooking show, right? You can pretend it's a Netflix series of your cooking show. So if you don't want it to be just a movie, you can make it like a TV series as well if you want to. Let's see. Oh yeah, I was going to put that picture in. So add, click add, photo, upload photo, and I don't remember which one. Let me see. Which one? No, I want the other one. There's me kayaking. Here's me kayaking. I'm going to put this one in. Well, let me try both. I don't know. I might like the other one, move freely, because if you don't put move freely, then it's going to get stuck and you can't move it around. So I could put something like this, and I could put it up here. Right? I can make it bigger, but it kind of looks the same because this was the same day actually, same picture. So let me try the other one. Add photo, upload. Yeah, this one. A little bit more contrast. I'm just going to put that. Okay, so there's my second movie poster. Well, the first one that I showed you. I made another one I'm going to show you in just a second. So that's it. So then what you do is you go in and you go name it. And call it kayak movie. And then go back into your projects. And you can export it. So if I go here, I can do download. And it's going to download a JPEG. Right, so then I have that JPEG. And it's going to open my movie poster like that. And I'm going to show you the other one, and then I want you to go and have lots of fun creating a movie poster about yourself. You need to give me 2. So here's another example of something that's related to the list that I made. I had 2 snakes, and so I made a poster about being a snake keeper. So I hope you have fun with this. Think about all the different things about yourself that you can make into a movie poster, and I want to see 3 different posters.